மெய் எழுத்துக்கள். மெய் எழுத்துக்கள் is consonants. These characters complement the vowels and add richness to the language. So together they form the complete Tamil alphabet. Here are the 18 மெய் எழுத்துக்கள், each with its unique shape and sound. These consonants, when combined with the vowels, allow for the formation of a wide range of words in Tamil. Ik, ik, as in bake, cake. So you hear the sound ik when you pronounce bake, cake. Ing, ing. It sounds from nasal as in ring, sing. Itch, itch, as in catch. Chip, inch, inch. It sounds from nasal as in syringe. So you hear the sound inch when you pronounce syringe. It, tap, cut, put, in, as in round, cinder. So this sound comes from nasal. It, as in birth, both. In the. This is also sounds from nasal as in Gandhi, Gandhi. Ip, pack, fun, shop. M, it sounds from nasal as in plum, mum. E, as in young, yuck. Ir, as in rust, still, bumper. Ill, as in lump, lamp, lung. Iv, as in vulture, victory, winner. Ill, oral. Ill, as in fuel, marble, cradle. Ir, as in pour. In, as in sin. None, 10.
If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more, check out the full Tamil course. The link is in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.